Guys, this is Divya. I am from CSC branch DA section, Shankar Institute of Technology. Today my topic name is Uses of ROM. CO Tech Talk presentation. What is ROM? ROM, read-only memory or ROM, is a type of a computer storage containing the non-volatile permanent data that normally can only be read, not written to. Read-only memory normally can be read, not written the ROM. ROM contains the programming that allows the computer start up the generate the reach time it is turned on. ROM also perform large input and output tasks and protect the programs or software instructions once data is written in a RAM chip. It cannot be removed. Almost every computer incorporates small amount of ROM that is contains the start of the small amount of ROM called basic input or output system. The software consists of a code that instructs the boot up of process for the computer, such as the loading access the system into the random access memory or running hardware. Consequently, ROM is most often used from updates. However, ROM is also utilized these video games, allowing the one system to run various games. Additionally, ROM is used optical storage, including different kinds of the compact discs, such as the CD-ROM and CD-ROM. ROM is also used frequently is calculators and devices like laser prints won't be commonly stored in the ROM. Types of ROM. ROM many we called mask ROM form a read-only memory that is static and programmed into include the circuit by the manufacturer. Solid-state ROM, the oldest type of the ROM, is an example of the mask ROM within the original ROM of the since it is truly physically replaced in order to change any of content. However, the new type of ROM have that are still non-volatile but can be reprogramming. This type are categorized the programmable read-only memory. RAM can be used to update the such as through the utilize the initialization software. Types of ROM including types of routine. How does not the ROM works? ROM work usually by the small long life battery in the computer. It contains two basic components: the decoder and the row logical. ROM is the detector receive input in binary from the output will be decimal equivalent. The OR gates are ROM use the decodes decimal output as their input. ROM performs like a disk array. It contains a row and the columns that are used to run system, and of the very implement array creates the specific memory element to the ROM chip used to connect the corresponding elements. When a request received to the ROM versus RAM, unlike the computers, RAM, the data ROM is not a loss of the computer. Power is turned off the while is the ROM chip is commonly used to the start of the computer. RAM chip is often computer of the so be confused. Another difference between the ROM and RAM is amount of the space any contains. ROM chip is only store several amounting the between 4 and 5 MB per the ROM chip. RAM is the advantages of ROM. ROM provide the necessary instructions for communication between the various hardware components as mentioned before. Is essentially for the storage and operation of the can be used to database management. To hold software of the basic process, utilize the and read, write, and peripheral device. Other debates are Rome of include its static nature means it does not require refreshing It is easy to test. ROM is a reliability. The RAM is not volatile. Nature cannot be created. The
That's all the 5 minutes
less
I Thank
expect
you,
the RAM.
Anjali.
Thank you, friends.